Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, what we're going to talk about is the ingredients I use in my products. So if you watch my channel for a while guys now, you've seen my DIY products that I make and use in my hair. And one of the reasons I started using DIY products guys is because whenever I would buy something from the store in the beginning, it wouldn't work how I wanted to work with my hair. So I always had to mix a little bit of oil, mix a little bit of butter, something different to actually fix it to work with my hair. So because of that, I started making my own products and I love my DIY product, and I'm always making some to use. I'm always making a couple of different ones, mix and matching. But one thing I wanted you guys to notice on my channel is the fact that majority of my DIY products, I use the same ingredients in them. Now, I want you guys to notice that because one of the things that used to really get to my hair to not grow, to dry out, fall out, was using a bunch of different products all the time. So my hair never had the time to adjust to anything to see if something worked or not. And I didn't notice that until way later on. So as soon as I did guys, I fixed that. I started working on using the same product. That's why if I go to the store, even if I buy something, I will look at the ingredients list because I want to see how much do my products match ingredient wise, so my hair will know what's going in there. So I wanted to tell you guys the main ingredients that I use in my DIY product. So we're going to start with oils, my favorite. So the main carrier oils I use guys are vitamin E oil, avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and castor oil. These are my solid oils that I use all the time. I may mix and match different ingredients, add more to them, but there are my base carrier oils that I use in almost every one of my DIY hair products. Now next guys, we're going to essential oils. Essential oils, I have just a few that I use as well all the time, and those are peppermint, rosemary, tea tree, and lavender guys. So 4 main essential oils that I use. And again guys, you can see me mixing and matching them with different essential oils, adding them to my carrier oils, so on so on. The butters I use are shea butter, cocoa butter, and mango butter. The next ingredients guys we're going to move on with is herbs. Have you seen my natural products? You see me use my herbs all the time. My henna is one of my big herbs that I use. I have my henna treatment guys that I put in, and the next herb is curry leaf. I love using curry leaf and my oil now. Whenever I make a scalp growth oil, I use curry leaf and it does help. It has helped my hair, so that's why I continue to use it. The next, I say herbs, but this is more of a seed, so it's Fenugreek Seed guys. I've started using that a few months ago and I use it constantly now in my products as well. And the next guys is Amla. I know my 9 herbs has Amla in it as well, but I also have Amla by itself that I buy, and I will add that to products as well because it does so much for my hair. I love it, so I use it a lot as well. Now the last list guys is more of a different ingredients that I use. I haven't put them particularly in herbs or oils or anything like that, so these are just different things that I use as well that are constant in my DIYs. The first one guys is aloe vera gel and juice. I use both of them. I use them to moisturize my hair. I use it in my tea rinse. I use it just to put in my hair. I make my leave-in now with it. I absolutely love the aloe vera juice, so it works great for my hair and it helps heal my scalp. The next one guys are 2 humectants, that is honey and vegetable glycerin. So those are another way to keep my hair hydrated. I use them as well and a lot of ingredients, but remember guys, I use humectants during the hot months like it is right now. It's super hot, so great time to use some humectant in my DIYs. These ingredients, I do use them in most of my products, but for humectants, remember I only use them during the hotter months of the year. I've started using this. I wasn't too constant with it, but now guys I am. I love it, and that is my raw black soap. That's one of the ways I clean my hair. You guys see me use the Aztec clay in my hair. I use it to clay mask my hair, detox it. I absolutely love it. I've used that Aztec clay for a while now, so I absolutely love it. The black soap, I did start using it a few months ago, and my hair and scalp love it, so it is definitely going to be a constant in making my hair shampoo. And guys, last but not least is avocado guys. I actually heard I said I use avocado carrier oil before. I do use that oil when it's oil time, but if I'm making like a deep treatment, something I want to moisturize my hair with as a mask, I use avocado. I use that avocado, I make myself a mask and I put it in my hair, and I love it because it can go in my hair and scalp, so this works great for my hair to treat it. So guys, these are staple ingredients that I use and most of my DIY products, and I've used them constantly. My hair loves them. They have worked, so I keep them constant whenever I'm thinking about making a new DIY, whether it's a new oil, a new deep conditioner, a new hair wash. These are the things that I use to keep my hair healthy and clean. So if you guys have any ingredients that you constantly use in your hair care routine, something that has worked magic for your hair that you love, please comment down below and let us know. And thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course guys, subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos up, and give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments all down below, and go over guys and watch my last video.